The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is one of the most active areas of food service today. Many of your clients often require new menu items. They are always searching to have more customers and to have their existing customers visit more frequently. Freshening up the menu is one way to do this. Small footprint electric griddles are a great way to enhance your menu without giving up kitchen space. When choosing a griddle, the Maillard effect, or caramelization factor, should be taken into consideration. The coefficient of friction, or stickiness between the food and the griddle surface, is also important. Equipex can provide a countertop ventless hood system as well for any of the 1 or 2 zone electric griddles. Our cast iron griddles come in 1 or 2 zone models in both voltages. They have integral back and side splashes. All Equipex griddles are thermostatically controlled up to 570 degrees with a built-in on-off feature. A removable grease drawer is included on all models. The cast iron surface retains heat very well. Both sizes are available in 120 or 208/240 volts. Cleanup is simple with a stiff wire brush. Steel griddles are available in 1, 2, or 3 zone models. All steel models are available in 208/240 volts, and the 2 smaller sizes are also available in 120 volts. The preheat time is only 10 minutes, and cleaning is simple with a spatula or a grill brick. It is a versatile surface for cooking anything from steak and hamburgers to eggs and pancakes. Enameled steel griddles have the smoothest surface of all the Equipex griddles. These also come in 1 or 2 zone models in both voltages and are the easiest to clean with only a spatula, wet sponge, and even using ice to soften built-up food residue. Although metal tools can be used, no heavy chopping is recommended as it may chip the enameled surface. Chefs love to use stainless steel cookware as it is so easy to clean and looks sleek in the kitchen. Now you can have a stainless steel griddle to cook on. Available in the 2 zone size only in both voltages, the durable and warp-resistant cooking surface preheats in less than 10 minutes. The griddle can be easily cleaned with soap, water, and a scrubby sponge. Chrome griddles in both sizes and voltages are best used in out front or demo cooking. Metal tools and chopping are not recommended as they may scratch the decor chrome surface of the griddle. Any type of food can be cooked on these griddles with an added visual pizzazz. It is exceptionally easy to clean with ice and a spatula. Induction griddles come in 1 or 2 zone models in only 208/240 volts. The preheat time is approximately 2 minutes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and allows for precise temperature control within 2 degrees. Turn the griddle on when you need it, saving energy and wasted heat generation into the room. The multi-layer stainless steel cooking surface of the induction griddle is durable and will not warp over time. All models feature accurate, easy-to-clean, and hygienic capacitive touch controls. The grill surface is easy to clean with a scraper and ice. Drop-in induction griddles come with a drain and only in single zone models. A receptacle must be incorporated in the counter design. All induction griddles feature a low coefficient factor and a very low Maillard effect due to lower temperature cooking and the surface materials. The natural moisture and flavors of the food are preserved. With induction, a chef is able to cook a variety of foods, including steak, chicken, shrimp, fish, etc., without any mixing of flavors. The induction griddle can be partially cleaned, even while cooking and without losing cook time. As you can see here, the chef is preparing all the different proteins on a compact induction griddle without any cross-contamination or losing cook time. See our website or YouTube for more videos on induction and griddle cooking. Our products are assembled in the United States. Equipex has over 20 years of experience in the food service solutions industry, and we are happy to answer any questions you may have. Please visit www.equipex.com for more information.